for greatness.
Something just came in. Oh yes. Bang. Dang, look at us out here with the new bands. Had to flex them for the video. You know, what's going on, guys? It's Matt, back again with another video. You see we got the Mustang right here. And I'm just going to be giving you guys a quick little overview of what's been done to the car recently. And yes, for the new people, before you guys comment, slow ass V6. I already got you covered, man. So I took off my banner because, you know, I'm a lone wolf now. But I went ahead and added some drilled and slotted rotors all around, all four corners, because my stock rotors they were just toasted, man. They were just at the end of their life cycle. But I do think the drilled and slotted rotors give it that nice extra touch. I know, like a cherry on top kind of thing. And finally, I get to show you guys on the channel. I got my new NT55 Nittos, NT555s, the 305s. And man, I have to say these fucking tires hook. And they go, baby. No more spinning in this little V6. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, they still spin just a tad bit, but way better than my last tire, which was a Mickey Thompson 255 street comp, and that thing spun like crazy. You guys just can go back and see my old videos. I mean, just look at them right here. I mean, they're not completely roasted, but yeah, these things wouldn't hook up for shit. And yeah, I had to upgrade my rim to a 10.5 inch, 10 or a 10.5 inch size, because the ones in there, they were at 8.5 and I couldn't fit a 305 on them. And just a little finishing touch, I went ahead and painted my Roush axle back tips black. As you guys know, they were chrome before, and they come chrome. I painted them black. So as you can see, I kind of just touched up on the drivetrain a little, gave it some new stopping power, gave it some new meat in the back so we can hook up, because spinning has been a major issue with my car. And I still got my ported intake manifolds on the way from P3 Performance. I'm super excited for that. And that's one way to get more horsepower out of your 3.7. So if you guys don't have ported intakes, go ahead and get them from P3 Performance. It'll be down in the description below. And yeah, the car will be pretty much full bolt-on like I said in my last video. And you better believe we're gonna let it rip, tater chip.
Let's go. Yeah. 20% skill, 80% beer, be 100% clear.
And yeah, she still sounds like a shitty V6. And the exhaust was cold, that's why it wasn't popping as much as it usually does, but you know, it's whatever. It's not whatever, we want pops and we want them now. And that was a little better. And last night we went to Mexico and my boy Matt's 6th gen Camaro SS. He has long tube headers, E85 and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw some of that footage in here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Go. Let's go, boys.
Yeah, you're gonna have to move your seat forward, like you're reclining forward.
Mere extra horsepower.
This is the flux capacitor. This allows for more
More what?
gas.
More gas? This? What is this? Is that extra horsepower or what?
Yeah, extra horsepower. Hey dude, so you wanted to do a poll? Yeah? Alright. What do you got done for yours or what? Stock as fuck? Oh wow!
You always want to be in a Call Me Matt video. Here's your chance.
Follow me on Snap.
Shout out your snap. Do it.
No,
Do it.
no.
What?
She's like, I got it stock and shit.
Wait, you can even see the black.
You see these stock?
Yeah.
This bitch.
We're in Mexico, Mexico.
dangerous too. Well, that was fun.
It was alright.
What are you doing?
Turning on the flux capacitor. The what?
Gotta go out with the bang.
Getting nervous.
Wait, let me save it.
I don't want the whole.
Is this how do you?